ever been in a situation where you finally escaped to procrastination and is trying to do your best, but every step you are taking forward, a storm of negativity hit through your way to knock you down? You know it's coming, you know it's there, and you are maintaining your calm, working late nights, waking early mornings. You're focused on your job, not only because it's your goal to achieve, but you have realized that it's your last chance. No more time has left. If not now, then never will be. You're aware that there are people who don't want you to win, who's there to distract you from your path, drag you into their mess. You're getting aware about your surrounding pulling you down. You understand the game that is being played. But the more you know, the more you're getting attracted to your dreams. It's not affecting you, instead sparking a wave of hunger to work more and more and achieve that they thought you could never. This time is delicate. They're thinking they won. You're hiding, being coward by not replying to their shit. While you're working on your dreams, chasing your success, you're focused on yourself and their focus is on you. You're doing your job, getting closer to your success while they're trying to distract and bother you. You're not giving a damn to their actions, not getting disturbed by their moves because you know your power and what's important to you. They're getting miserable day by day, throwing multiple outbursts because they failed at controlling you, your reactions. Tell me, who won now? You. Your silence is your power, not your cowardness. You know what truly matters to you. You finally understood your potential and working on it and not letting anyone sidetrack you. You've outgrown your older version who used to get bothered by this. You've unlocked your new era where you're becoming the person you want to be, shining through every darkness of setbacks and achieving your goals because you believed in yourself. Go ahead. Your throne wants you to come and claim it.